My husband is here. You wanna say something? My paper. I suppose this will go to the bedroom. Yeah, because it matches most of the things. It matches some of the bedding I have. When was the last time you cleaned under your fridge, under your dispenser, like those hidden areas? Assalamu alaikum guys, trust you are well. Myself, I am fine, alhamdulillah, and welcome to a new vlog. So yeah, today I'm starting off a new vlog. I hope that you're all well and that you have caught up with the rest of my vlogs. I'm super proud of myself for remaining consistent, and I hope you support by watching, liking, and subscribing. So we start today's vlog by visiting the dentist, and I'm not sure if I'll vlog. Yeah, if I'm able to, you'll see it. If I'm not able to, just know that today's vlog starts with dentist visit, and today I'm a passenger princess. After driving myself, today I'm being driven, and it's quite nice. Both are nice, but being driven is nicer. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this vlog, and yeah, see you as you see me. Yeah. Eish, eish. Imo liko na potential, sijai nini yote, sijai exhaust, niko karibu na huu. We here. Yo, love.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So I'm done with my session, and my teeth never disappoint. They're always good. But yeah, like they were so good that I was gifted a hamper that I will show you guys. Yeah, the dentist, she's been the same dentist that has worked on my teeth for the last 3 years since I started, because I've come here 3 times, and the first time was our first date, and from then it's become an annually affair. So that was a good session. Now it's month's time, and then it's already 1, so I want to pray, and then I don't know if we will eat out today, because after here we'll just go home, so I don't think there's much, because if there's something, of course I'll plug you guys in. So yeah, I'm loving how I look. I love red on me. This hijab was a gift from Iman, my friend Iman, and it's the simple things that matter. Like guys, I love gifting, and for her to have bought me something that I wanted and needed is just a plus. So see you around. Yeah. niko job. Sikia uko job. Java. We are working from Java. Hi guys, lunchtime. Check it out. Hizi nimeletewa pia. Kabisa, moja moja. Assalamu alaikum guys, so I'm home. Yeah, I was a passenger princess while going, but on returning I am the driver, so I just dropped my man over. He was going to the mosque for Asir, and I'm going now to pray in the house. And today was such a lovely day. Yeah, I appreciate such moments because at least we get to spend time with my husband away from home. Yeah, so today was nice. Let's see. Yeah, today was a beginning of a vlog, so obviously you'll see a lot of me. So yeah, let's do this.
The next day.
I started the day off with doing laundry. Then I cleared yesterday night's utensils since I want to clean up my fridge. So I'm going to be using lemon and some vinegar water. I love glass stuff. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Next part is to clean these racks. So my fridge doesn't have much, which means it's time for a restock. But before then, let's clean this area. And let's be honest, guys, when was the last time you cleaned under your fridge, under your dispenser, like those hidden areas, under your or around your cooking area? For those who do, kudos, and to those who don't, this is a motivation for you to do it, okay? Assalamu alaikum, guys. So I've gotten an impromptu need to be in town, something I had not planned for. So the idea was to go shop right now, but it's around 1. Guys, I plan my things in the morning, but right now this is something that has come up right now, and I hope whatever I'm going to pick will be available, because the person I'm trying to communicate with, they're not communicating back, but we had communicated before. I don't know if you get it. So allow me. So right now I want to go to town and then pick it, and I don't know if I will fix my shopping my shopping visit there, because there are things we need to use tonight. So I don't know. So if I'm back, it's currently 1:14. So if my plan is, if I make it back by 4, I can just pass by the supermarket, get the things I want to get, and then come back home. And then I will go out and get some other things, like, yo, it's a lot. So I will see how I will fix everything to fit today. And yeah, hope that you are all well. And if you have reached till this far in the video, please consider liking. So allow me to go. Yeah. So see you when you see me.
Hi, can I take a minute?
Later.
Assalamu alaikum, guys. I got home and I've been rained on a good one. Also, like, I don't know if you know, you see how I look? You see how my dress imeshika uchafu? I need to go to the bathroom ASAP. Two, nimekuja kaa nimebebana hizi vitu kwa mkono. This is 3 liters and some other stuff. And also this and that and my handbag. Zote kwa mikono mbili. So right now it's 5:52. I left here at 2. I made it to town and also nikaweza kupitia Eastleigh because there are things I had planned to get. So when today came up, I just said, let me put them all together. So I'm done with that. So allow me to take a quick shower, a hot one. I'm feeling hot, but I want a hot shower. So let me take a shower and then I come, we do a quick haul together, right? Okay. Assalamu alaikum, guys. Let me put you in a good position. Yeah, so I have taken a shower from the head. That's why I have put on this turban, like I have put on this scarf like that because my hair is wet. So let me do a quick haul and then I start cooking because it's already 6. I'm supposed to start preparing, pray, and then cook around 7. I start cooking at least 6:50 or 7. That's the ni. So tuko tumeshiwa na mafuta. Ideally, I told you guys that I'm planning on going to the supermarket, which I wasn't able to go today, and I just figured out that this time round I will buy things from a local shop. So first I started with what we need like to use. So I bought these 3 liters of cooking oil and then some fruits for tonight. You already know. Here says chini. And then I've got milk. Also more fruits. These are for today and tomorrow. Yeah. And then some githeri for tonight. And some metungo. Yeah. My husband really loves them. So every once in a while I do it, or every 4 days. Yeah, so that's the first batch of things that we bought. These are for the kitchen, so let me place them in the kitchen right away zisianze kunichafulia hapa sitting. So now for the thing that took me to town at a siku so this package is what took me to town. I received it and I will tell you more about it once, like later. So after that I was like, I will not just drop in town for one stuff. So I decided to buy some other things.
A few moments later.
My husband is here. You wanna see something? So guys, these are some of the things I bought in J Smart collection if you need them. So I bought this, 4 of them, too much. Yes, job. So I bought these 4. They were going for 350 shillings each. I bought them for at least for the seats to match. But the things that took me there, you can check them out on Instagram. They are quite affordable and vitu zao ni quality poa. So I bought 2 throw blankets because I want to get rid of this Masai shawl that I've been using to cover myself while I'm watching. So I bought this one. So I'm not sure if this, I suppose this will go to the bedroom. Yeah, because it matches most of the things. It matches some of the bedding I have. So you've got this in beige. In beige, I'm a yellow beige. Yeah. And now for the sitting, I bought this one in green. Yeah, it's man's favorite, so at least ameongezewa hapo ndani kama asante. Kwani hutaki kuongea? Mehepa. So yeah, guys, but this one in green, and it's quite soft and quite nice. Yeah, and it's huge. It can cover you those movie nights in the house, and you wanna feel warm. So yeah, I bought this. And in Islim, I bought this green hijab that I want to try with an outfit I have in my head. I want to actualize it. And this beautiful dress. Once I put this on, I'm sure you love it as much as I love it myself. It's quite pretty, and it has this detail on over here. So yeah, guys, allow me to go cook since it's that time, and allow me to end this video here. Hope you have enjoyed, and if not, maybe I'll add the last part. I'll see you. If not, thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe. Bye.